I love donuts, and I love that Krispy Kreme always has new donuts like for every different like month. They're doing a collab with Biscoff. I've never tasted Biscoff, but people say they love these cookies. Let me see. I broke it. This is basically what it looks like. Thick ass graham cracker. Let's get into it. These donuts was $11 with a Biscoff glaze on top. I like my Krispy Kreme donuts out the store. Don't like them when they're hot. I like them when the frosting is kind of crisp and flaky, and when the dough is firm. So that tastes better than donut. Okay, the cookie sucks, but the things that are Biscoff flavored apparently are delicious. Let's see. And we're gonna bite this one in the middle because it's glazed in the middle. It got cream in it. That's it. This is a no for me. Krispy Kreme Biscoff donuts. This one is my favorite.